Really exciting is happening tonight down in Hoover. I want to take you live outside to Storm Tracker. We are following Hoover firefighters who are escorting one of Santa's helpers across the area. So this is again Fire Station 2, which are focusing on the Patton Chapel, Moss Rock, and Preserve neighborhoods. So at this time, they should be going along Chartwell Road to Cornwall Road and to Teakwood Road. So if you're in those areas, you'll want to go outside. They've been waving to kiddos, pausing to talk to some of them. They say if you're on a shorter street that dead ends, you'll want to go to more closer to a main road. But it's not just in this area. It's not just Hoover. Oh, parents, by the way, this is just one of 11 routes happening right now all around Hoover. So they're trying to get to as many neighborhoods as they can tonight. It's also happening in Alabaster, Warrior, as well as Pelham. So we have a full list of these schedules, again, of Santa's helpers going around saying hey to kids, bringing that holiday cheer right now on WVTM13.com.